excited with the parcel. Come here, Bessie. Checo. What's this? What's inside here? What do you think it is? This morning, Bessie had just swallowed some battery into her stomach. She vomited, but she looks okay now. She can eat. She doesn't vomit. But I'm just monitoring her. There. Bessie, hey, no. Come here. Who is being naughty? Who is being naughty? Tell me. Come here, Bessie. Come to me. Come here. Come here. Hey, what you want? What's inside here? What's inside here? Okay, till we see again. Till we meet again next time. Yeah, thank you for liking.